Here is April 1st, 2011. It's April Fool's Day today, but I didn't do any April Fool's jokes on Genie. That's not my kind of thing to do. Oh boy, you know what? I've been having sound problems the last couple of days. It's like it's like 1 minute they were working, and then the next minute they weren't. It's like, oh man, and how am I supposed to edit these vlogs if I don't know what am I saying, or what to edit out. So Genie called tech support at the place we go to get our, where we do business with our computer, and apparently, I guess somehow the settings on the sound got kind of off, and then well, they were working fine. Of course, what I did was, like with yesterday to edit my vlog, I kind of hooked up my mom's computer so I could hear sound. So that's when I discovered, well, it wasn't the speakers. It was just, something hinky with the sound with the sound, basically. I mean, with the sound settings. And then my life got help working again, and then boom, again, sound was out of commission again, and then it's like, so I just kind of tinkered around with the sound and got it working again. So now I can edit my vlogs again. Nothing else really happened today other than sound. Played my Back to the Future game again. About it. And tomorrow I'm gonna be taking Katie Bear to the movies to see a Hop. It's a really interesting movie. Yeah, I might take Genie and CJ. So they don't charge CJ for the seats. Well, I should. I mean, especially if we have them on our lap. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye.